Hello everyone. Let me check that everything is okay. Hello everyone. Yeah, okay, cool. So, welcome on our, how many? 37, I guess, yeah? 37th stream, where we're implementing our brand new Kotlin Multiplatform Compose UI application, codename Modern Money. As usual, disclaimer. Start disclaimer, I'm not professional Android developer or any kind of other mobile developer. I think what I'm doing here, I'm learning. So if you know something what can be done better or like another way more suitable, maybe it's not better way, but for our needs it's more suitable, please provide update. I would like to say thank you everyone who was waiting for these 2 weeks when I was on vacation. And yeah, I didn't know will I have time to run the streams current week. This is why there is no any announcement before it, but yeah, I'm here. And about next week, it's also because right now my schedule it's unpredictable, let's say. I'm not sure will I be able to run it or not. So if sorry if I will run the streams just like without any announcing. I know that there is mess inside streams because when I run it without announcing, I need to like update in proper way. Title, like this, how say, background, yeah, etc. I like will try to clean it up, but again, not sure when. Hopefully this weekend, but again, like really not sure. Anyway, so let's start. So let's check where we stopped. And let's start as usual with Gradle and versions. Do we have something new? There is update for Android. Yeah, I did little update. Let me check, did I push it or not? I guess I did it after my vacation, but just wanted to check. History. Yes, it was 2nd August, so I update version of Kotlin. It was 4.0, right now it's 4.10. I also updated this lifecycle components. It was 2.10, right now it's 2.11. And it required me to update Android plugin, AGP. It was 9.01, and right now it's 9.11 to support this lifecycle component. I also update Ktor, but it's not so excited. About Android, there is 9.3 version, as I remember, the latest one, but IntelliJ IDE doesn't support it, only Android Studio supported, but because we have like multi-platform application, yeah, we can use Android Studio, but I would like to use just IntelliJ IDE. Okay, so we still have few problems, yeah. So first of all, this concierge works, but maybe not as we expected. Yeah, we started to create this transaction. Yeah, sorry. We started to build transactions. Yeah, where it is. Detail. In transaction DAO, yeah, we started to build this filtering. Yeah, we stop about like when we're thinking to how like we should work with currencies. Yeah, so if we choose some account ID and we want, for example, okay, we have I don't know, we have like account only in Czech crowns, but we want to check when we convert it from Czech crowns to euros. Yeah, so like it's maybe should be slightly changed. Anyway, like, yeah, we should work on this filter, but yeah, what I want to check right now, let's run our beautiful Android emulator. Maybe it will take some time. But recently I played with application on my real mobile phone, and I found that when I collapsed, yeah, my phone, I also have foldable phone, and when I collapsed it, by some reason, application felt like wall screen, but maybe I forgot to put inside, like here inside phone. Yeah, when it started here in main activity, we have this adapt account, etc. But also here should be like this edge to edge or something like this, some function which tell Android system don't show this like top. I don't know how to say in English this top bar, yeah, which you can just scroll down, and bottom one, yeah, with these buttons, back, home, etc. Because let's switch to Android emulator, yeah, so you should see it right now. Here it looks okay, yeah, we have nothing, but if we collapse it, yes, I swiped, please open. What the hell? Okay, it works, but not for, it doesn't work for small. I don't know why. Okay. So how we can test it in this case, yeah? So we need to maybe, okay, let's rotate it. No, doesn't work. I want to customize, okay, please give me this opportunity, but no, it doesn't. Yeah, let's try to restart it maybe, yeah. And we will see how it, and while it's restarting, let's collapse it. Yeah, I know that it looks slightly ugly, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Not sure why it happens this way. Okay. Let me use, because I'm using my, yeah, I use my real pattern. What is not so good, I need to change it. So, okay, and right now, if I open, yeah, here looks more or less good, but if we go to categories, for example, open edit, I somehow was able to do it. Let's go to settings maybe. And turn on protections. Yes, we need fingerprint. Touch it. Okay, we turn it on. Everything is okay. But still, it's not so ugly as on my real phone. Yeah, this is also problem. Yeah. Yeah, here you see it started to be bigger than, yeah, it's what I tell about. So like it's bigger than screen. And to be honest, I'm not sure how I can fix it. So we need somehow investigate it, yeah? So let's switch to IntelliJ IDEA. We have inspector, but no, we should do it somehow different way. Yeah, we should have it running device, but we don't have it here in running device. Device Explorer. Also not here. So what we can do, I need somehow to run inspector. Layout inspector. Can I do it here somehow? No, I cannot. Okay, let's try another approach. Let's close current emulator. And let's open this one. I hope you see it. You should be able to see it. So can I somehow make it bigger? Stretch. No, I want to make it right top. Yeah, it's not what I want. Anyway, so let's try to play with it here. I can collapse it. So if we run it now, it should appear here. Okay, yeah. So we don't need any more switch. Okay, it's run successfully, and yeah, I guess, will you see it? Yes, it's slightly ugly, but sorry about it. So I just click touch, and right now it's okay. Yeah, but if I, what the hell is going on? It's clicked on wrong place. Okay, let's open it. Yeah. So, and here right now I can run. Yeah, you see that it's slightly bigger than box with container row. Yeah, but right now it's this. Aha, maybe I know what is going on. It's because of this out screen. So right now, if I go to click mode, it's still bigger, so it cannot. Aha, it's maybe this navigation screen. This is a problem. You see, it's like, yeah, if I can I close it somehow, I can maybe make it bigger. That here is going like more just like when application run, and because there is this out screen, and it's not inside this navigation size codefault or something like this, so it's not proper way calculated size of it. And then when like my main function appear, yeah, it became. So let's try to do it here in main layout. Let's collapse it. Yeah, for padding we have it, but what is padding in this case? So we have scaffold. navigation scaffold, but we should check also navigation host. Yeah, we have the scaffold and we have navigation host, which is correct. Huh. It's interesting. So just float button going to wrong place, yeah? But no, I also have filter. I also have title of it, yeah? What is hidden right now? How I can... Yeah, it's scaffold, but it's... Yes, this one, central top align top bar. And it have why just 8. Okay, and if I stop it and try again, here is everything is okay. And if we go to scaffold, we can see that why it's still 8, but by some reason it's understand what is going on and put everything expanded height. Maybe this one 64. Okay, let's collapse it. Again, it stopped to work. Let's expand back. Everything is okay right now. Why it doesn't work here? Swap to... I want to swap. I swapping. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. Let's go to settings. Yeah, we need this. I click to settings, come on. Stop to work totally. I hate this emulators approach. Okay, stop it. And run call boot. It will take slightly more time, but it's like really reset emulator. It's like not resetted, but like run it as like you really restart device, because when you just close emulator, stop it and run again, yeah, it's just sorry, I have to switch. Okay, now I'm here. Yeah, let's use not patterns. Sorry, I need to go back. Yeah. Okay, right now everything is okay. So closed it. Okay, we have it. And here already we have a problem, I hope. Yeah, yes, we already have it. So it's not only on my real device, yeah, it's also on emulator as well. Do you see it? Yes, you do. Okay, if we go to Layout manager again. Yes, we are waiting. Please connect. What? Okay, let's expand it. Okay, the problem is definitely with this screen, that when the screen is hidden, I mean like my screen is hidden, it looks like it cannot properly calculate it size of window, yeah? So let's try to fix it by ourselves without this, without it. It's an application, yes? So like we have, is not authenticated and protected configuration, we have out screen. Other ways, we have main layout. And it started to get this size scaffold, blah blah blah, but looks like when this out screen happens, it somehow ruins the main idea. So what we can do, we need somehow to fully reset it, yeah? Just for maybe stupid idea, but oops, we can use key for it. Key is specific function which fully reload everything what is like recomposite everything what is inside it based on key changed, yeah? So it means like when authentication will changed from false to true, it's not just like recomposite this one, it's fully try to recomposite everything. Maybe it's even better to cover, I don't know, application local provider. What I'm not sure, but we'll see. So, okay, right now it's good. Let's expand it. Still doesn't work properly. Okay, let's try to cover all application provider. Include stemming. Again, I'm not sure what is proper way. Maybe even coin application should be covered, or like wall application, yeah, because this wall application we're using inside inside phone. Yeah, here inside main activity. So maybe we need somehow here totally rebuild, yeah, this application function. We'll see. Okay, didn't help. Just to checking, let's disable protection and then open it. You see, it works. It's recalculate everything, and yeah, it's like jump, but anyway, it can recalculate everything. So something is going wrong when it's this expanding happened, and it's open this. So maybe I got it, yeah. So what we should do is not use this key, but make is authentication remember savable. Let's try this way. So let's turn on back protection. Okay, works. Let's close it. Why it happened? It should saved. It's interesting. But remember savable. I already used it somewhere. Then it worked. And I see that we need to use this mutable state of. Yeah, like for example, we're using here in main preference, import provider name, and it was saved. Okay, it's interesting. Because this possible effect maybe. Can we understand inside this possible effect what exactly happened? Huh. It's interesting. So I'm looking right now inside. Yes, because of this possible. So I mean, so if we remove it from here, it will not happen. I mean, like, we will not disable authentications. Only when we totally close application, it will be like, and run again, so recomposition will happen. It will be false. You see? And it works as expected, because it can calculate size of window. Okay, we know the problem. We definitely know that it happens because of this screen. Yeah, so we can disable it for now and take care about it in future. So sorry, I don't like this integrated terminal emulator. I like it inside as like standalone, so I'm running it again, and while I'm running it, I just move it back. This checking. Okay, it's starting. While it started, let's go to our, let's first of all check that everything is okay. Yes, everything is okay. So what I want to continue do, I want to first of all fix filters. Yeah, so right now inside transaction, yeah, we have transaction list detail, and there should be filter dialog. Yes, and here checkbox doesn't have any title. Yeah, so what we have for checkbox: checked, unchecked, enable, modifier, colors. It's interesting. So to add text for text box, I have to use row. It can be just like I want to check it. Compose UI check box title. Yeah, it should be row. Moreover, because user maybe would like to click on text as well. All rows should be clickable, not only checkbox itself. Okay, so we put text here and call it, yes, include children categories. It sounds okay, but right now we need to put modifier. Not, come on. I hate it. So it should be toggable, toggable, and stop do it. Just too many. Okay, wow, is include children. So value, but then we also need on value change. Yes, this way. And here we need nothing for value change. We'll just ignore it. Yeah, we can just like totally remove it. No? But it's nullable. Oh, okay, we can just make it null. Okay. Null. But enable also should be provided for wall row. Do we have it inside toggable? Yes, we do. So we have value, have on value change, but we also need enable. Yes, and we can remove enable from here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's go to transactions, filter, and include children category. And as you can see, it's not clickable. But then when we take, for example, this category, it became active, and you can click on it. And it looks really, really ugly because it's small one. And like when you click on it, there is this effect, but there is no any paddings, etc. So yeah, I will fix it in some future. Okay. So what were discussion at start of current stream? So we have currency, yeah, and if we have selected account, we use account currency. Otherwise, we use just currency dropdown. Why we need it? Yeah, if we switch back, how it works. For example, if there is no account, I can choose any currency I used. And I can see that, okay, there is some, doesn't matter which account, it is like when I use this forintas. But if I choose, for example, some account where I don't have it, yeah, it's erased. So I can choose euro, for example. And yes, I have, yeah, I have this exactly the same what we discussed. It's another problem, to be honest, yeah? So like here, what is better? Like when we choose currency, should it affect exactly account? I mean, like I choose this, let's use something different. This mortgage account, yeah, I have only check rounds. No, it's not so. Okay, this salary account, let's back to salary account. So I have euro, and it's not like salary account, yeah, it's when I transfer it to Revolut account. Again, this is numbers, it's fake numbers, so don't think that I guess you can calculate, like check Google that 15,000 Czech crowns, it's not 88,000 of euros, yeah. All this data are faking, except accounts like name, like, yeah. Okay. So when I choose both account and currency from account, won't I see exactly manipulation this currency under this account? I guess so. And in this case, we need one more checkbox, yeah, which tell which tell any currency, yeah? So what I'm trying to achieve here, let's imagine like we choose again like salary account, and we would like to see when we manipulate these euros exactly on salary account, yeah, not when we transfer like check runs from salary account to like Revolut, for example, and convert it in euros, but exactly when we manipulate on salary account with euros. It's one thing. But second thing, let's imagine like, yeah, we have salary account. On salary account, we never have, I don't know, forintas, but Hungary forintas. But when we go to Hungary and we use our like even check run accounts and we withdraw forintas from ATM, we like didn't transfer it to Revolut, convert it and take from Revolut, yeah? For example, before I started to use Revolut, I used only my salary account and I transfer, withdraw euros with like, okay, I had euros sub account in my salary account, yeah, but for example, forintas or like, I don't know, Poland zloty or like some, like, I don't know what else, Serbian dinar, I withdraw just like from my Czech account, yeah, from my Czech crown currency account. So, but I want to understand that, okay, when I use it. So here, like right now, euro works exactly second way. Yeah, we didn't have manipulate by euros on a salary account, but we withdraw in like, or like transfer in another account with euro. But in this case, we should have here not only current account currency, yeah, we should have all currencies, yeah. So let's try to understand how to implement it. So what we should have, we have account drop down, and then we need to understand, okay, if account selected, but we didn't check checkbox, I'm trying to understand which way it should work. For example, okay, we select account, we know that account should be inside transaction, doesn't matter outcome or income, as outcome or income. And which kind of checkbox we should have? Let's imagine, okay, we choose salary account, and then we didn't check anything. We have only account currency, but then we check and we have wall currencies, yeah? So how we should call this checkbox? Any account currency. Or opposite way, we choose account, there is checkbox which is not checked, and we see all currencies. But it means like, okay, we would like to check, did we sometimes use our salary account somehow, it doesn't matter, like we move or something like this with forintas, and it's there. But then we wanted to check, okay, no, I want to see only when exactly inside this account I manipulate with euros, for example, and I checkbox, yeah. I'm trying to understand which direction is better. When we by default see wall currencies, or when we by default see only account currencies. Yeah, I guess it's better to go exactly only account currency. So yeah, we need to not yet, so but it should be if we enable only when selected account is not null, yeah. Select current filter dot account ID is not null. In this case, we make it, But also we need here while only account currencies so yes, we need to create account ID, currency code category, while only. It's ugly right now. I will refactor it. I just want to make it works right now. Yeah, so we have boolean, and by default it's false already. Yeah, but here on the account currencies, okay, so it should be on the account currencies, okay, and if account selected and on the account currencies, in this case we show sorry, thank you. In this case we show only account currencies, otherwise we show all currencies. But we also need to fix it inside filtering. Yeah, so here we should check account ID only account currencies. Yes, we need to provide filter dot only account currencies, but here we need to check where account is null or account here. And currency is null or currency here. But if only account currency, it should be exactly connected to account. In this case, we know that and currency is null or blah blah blah. Yeah, don't want to make it really complicated. I mean, like this is query. So we already built it. Account currencies, expense, and income. Okay. So we need somehow, like we have it inside. It's like we can have or expense account currency code and expense currency dot account ID equals account ID or only account currencies 0. So I guess we need to do this way, yeah? So we have account. What we have account ID. And here we have, okay, we have if currency is not null, we're going and found, and not sure what is faster, yeah. I mean, like, maybe this should be first place because it's faster to check here, yeah. Yeah, let's do this way. Okay, let's try and we'll see if it will work. It will be really good end of current stream. So we'll see. Because yeah, you see, I just slightly out of context. I just like need after 2 weeks of did nothing. I just run it again on my phone and just little update libraries, but not was involved so many inside all this filtering, etc. Okay, so we have account. It's disabled right now, so we can choose, for example, euros, and we have all transaction about all. Euros. Let's choose zloty. Okay, we have everything. Doesn't matter which account, but right now we choose, for example, salary, but zloty is still here. It's because of pay, I guess. Pay currency. Yeah, you see, it's exactly what I wanted to achieve. Yeah, so I spent some Czech crowns, but I paid in Poland, and yeah, sorry, my lamp died. It's signal, yeah, it's signs to finish stream, but yeah, let's finish to test what we did. Okay, but right now, if I wanted only account currencies and choose euro, yes, I see exactly only when I use euros in account. Yeah, you see, even here I like use euros and send to Revolut as Czech crowns, but exactly euros here, not on Revolut. But again, if I inject it and keep only euros, it works as, doesn't matter which direction. It can be euros, yeah, again as here, euros to Czech crowns or like Czech crowns to euros, but it's include. Nice, it's exactly what I wanted to achieve. We can filter right now any way we want. If we want to check, okay, where we like where I use my account and spend in like let's for example again keep salary, but here like choose a Danish krone. Okay, I will never did it because I already used Revolut. Thai baht also never did it. Oh no, I did once. It's interesting. I use my salary account to, yeah, I converted, yeah, this way. Okay, nice. Qatarials, okay, I never did it, but Hungary forints definitely, yes. Okay, I just transfer it, but as you can see, yeah, for zloty, yes, I use it. Or for example, for Croatian kuna, I also used it long time ago, but I did. It's interesting that this 50, 85, 535, the same as if we choose zloty. Oh no, it's 531, not 535. Yeah, if we choose Croatian kuna. Okay. But yeah, it's nice exactly to see what is going on when like I spent exactly this, or like for example, like did I use it for Russian rubles? Yeah, I use it for Russian rubles as well. No, here, yeah, it doesn't matter, yeah, which direction, yeah. Yeah, maybe it's also a good idea to include some checkbox only for pay or something like that, but let's think about it next week. Okay, let's summarize. We continue to extend filters, it's good. We found what is root cause of this UI problem. It's our screen. We didn't found solution for it yet, but yeah, it's like, again, like we know what is going on. We can reproduce it and we found the root cause. It's also good, really, really good. We continue to improve filter. We slightly make our UI like more or less looks as some already final version, not maybe totally, but yeah, little bit. Yeah, just recognize one thing which maybe is wrong right now, but yeah, I will fix it. Yeah, I will continue to do my homework, at least maybe today and on weekend. And again, sorry, not sure when I will have time for next stream. Will I have it next week or like I will not? But hopefully I will. And yeah, sorry, all this technical issue at start, and my lamp is like over of battery, so I need to charge it. And anyway, I like how the stream ended, and hopefully see you next week or somewhere in August. Yeah, it's like 3 more weeks in August. Hopefully, I will find time at least 1 week run stream again. Thanks everyone, and see you later. Bye.